Hi guys, welcome to Azka's vlog. This time for nature exploration. I choose to explore mountains. Mountains has a cool beauty and unique appearances. It's full of trees, make the air feel fresh and pleasant to the eyes. Mountains also provide oxygen for wild animals to live in and much more. The view is breathtaking from morning until dusk. It remains beautiful. Mountains are wonderful creations made by Allah and offer many benefits to human life. Remember, we should be grateful for Allah's blessing and creation. Thank you for watching, guys.